Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about BSF farming. So I'm here this evening to harvest my eggs because the harvest is done in the morning and in the evening when the flies are they are not moving much. So you can see from the net, they are not active like when the sun is out. So I came to harvest. You can see my net is full of flies. This is half 4 nets here, all filled up with flies. You can see from the net, this is my pupa. My pre-pupa is in the container. My eggs are there. And then I have a lot of pre-pupa and I expect them to hatch her in a short period of time. So I have the pre-pupas. All my net is filled up with eggs. So I've harvested some eggs and I'm going to get my eggs out of them. So this is my love net. So I briefly want to tell you about some important tips about the love net. The love net, that's insectarium, is a engine power of BSF farming. So you need to take care of this net, take care of the flies, make sure they are perfect and doing well. So one of the things you need to put into consideration is ventilation. The fly needs a lot of ventilation. Make sure they are well ventilated. And as you can see, I put some transparent zinc up. Then on other parts is not transparent. So they can move to the side that is not transparent if the heat is much. So to avoid excess heat or sunlight. So make sure you do that, and they should be kept in a place where it's well ventilated so that there will be movement of air. So your fly will be okay if they are ventilated. So another thing I want to talk about is the substrate I use. My attractant. So you can use so many attractants, so many, whatever is available and they're accessible to you. The attractor have to have a strong odor. Is this odor or smell that enable them lay on the eggs? So I use initially when I started, I use fish. I add water in the fish, and as it's decaying, the smell is so strong that they were laying. But I had some challenge because some dogs came in. Some dogs came in and destroyed the net because of the smell of the fish. The fish attracted the dogs, they destroyed the net, and my fly escaped. They escaped. So my staff that is on the other side of the farm saw some fly perching on his body, and he said, why are they out? He came, and behold, the dog have destroyed the net. So avoid such attractants. That if you have dogs around, don't use something like fish, chicken ovis. Don't use that. Use something like right now what I'm using is chicken excrete. I mix it with water, keep it for 3 days, then I use it as my substrate, and they are laying excellent. I've been harvesting so much egg for my flies, so they are laying excellently. I believe that substrate is good, but I will try other substrate as well. And then drop a comment, let me know the substrate you have been using for your BSF so that we can share ideas. I need to hear from you. Drop comment so that we know which substrate you are using. So I do not use fish again because my flies escape. What really helped me was that I have a lot of pupa that have not turned into fly. So when those flies escape, the pupa keep turning to fly. So that's why I now have a colony like this. So I really thank God that I had pupas. So don't use things that dog or cat will come in and destroy your nets because of it. So right now I'm avoiding fish and I'm avoiding chicken ovis. So I use only chicken manure for my substrate. So substrate is very important. The stronger the odor, the stronger the smell, the more they lay in the eggs. So make sure your substrate have a strong smell. So another thing I want to talk about is the pupa. The pupa, they need to be kept in a dark place so that they can emerge to egg faster. 8 days, 7, 8 days, they should emerge to flies. So you need to cover your pupa container so that they will be in a dark place. If it not cover, it take a longer time. So I'm trying to cover them, and then use for example, if you use like this to cover your pupa box, they will lay egg in this space here. So avoid something like this that has space in here to cover your pupa. So use something that is completely filled up. So that is one thing you should avoid when you are covering your pupa balls. Make sure you cover your pupa balls. Leave a small opening so that when they turn into fly, they can come out. But cover it so that the process will be faster. So that is another thing I want to discuss about. So please subscribe to my video. I have so many information to give to you about BSF. Like and share with somebody so that we will grow together. And you can see my net. My flies are doing well. They are really doing well. And I thank God for it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. We will be talking more about BSF.